Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're just on a typical day at the gas station, but today we're going to a car meet. It's a bit rainy today. Have you ever seen a GTR at a car?
Is it?
That scream.
Fucking hell. Sorry, George. I just shot myself.
That's one way to wake up the neighborhood.
Look, it's George.
Well, this is quite a chavvy meet.
I'm gonna pull them over now.
Getting a bit rowdy here. Another GTR that we found. And some boring cars. Oh, an Ry.raw. Not too bad. Oh, look at how this sparkles. That's amazing. That's not too bad. Interesting with the lights. Quite an engine setup. Whoa, look at those flames from the Focus. Not too bad. Well, wait for the GTR. Fast and Furious, yeah. Sounds quite bad. Interesting pops. Whoa, flames, okay. It's Scirocco. That's bad, bro. That's very nice.
I've only been once, but it's the best meet I've been to.
Interesting lights again. Quite a kind of cool Miata. More bad sounding engines. Look at this Honda. All these cars sound so weird. Not a bad Subaru though. That's a big wing and quite some nice wheels. Setting color runners off already. That blow-off valve though. Look, what are these guys doing? Get on top. That's a nice Aston Martin. Puma. Very weird. More Fords, okay. Of course a Golf. Another Fiesta. Oh, a Mustang, that's what I'm talking about now. That's a clean Mustang. And a weird Golf once again. Okay. Big pickup here. Oh, an M5, okay. Another Fiesta, of course. Interesting camel wrap. A Punto. Quite a nice TT. These are some weird wheels. Oh, look at that. The GTR engine. Not too bad. More flames from some weird stuff. Ooh, that's an M6 V10. Interesting gold wrap. Look at this Miata here, but quite a nice engine bay. That's a cool wrap as well. Oh, those buckets, it's nice. There's a V10 M6. More weird flames. The 350Z right there. Oh, that's a mad Rolls Royce. Listen to that V8 growl. Okay. And it's time for the GTR to shoot some real flames. Wait for it to warm up though. Whoa, that was mad. Those are some big flames. Second round here. Man, those were some of the best flames I've seen. Round 3, okay. You can see the sparks. Those were epic. Look at that crowd. Here comes a Rolls Royce again then. The engine smoking. Just not BMW. Look at the rims on this TT though. Oh, what's this Type R doing? Interesting wrap on that Audi. Look like someone's been doing it better. That's a clean 370Z. Here's the Audi again, the matte wrap. Interesting wheels. What are they doing? Okay, some flames action right there. Subaru. Here comes Mikey with the GTR. Whoops. Whoa, he's about to rear end him. And now I gotta walk his way up there. Okay, some pulls. Well, that's the best car I've seen here. Epic. Oh, nice Miata. That blower valve there. Alright, here comes my ride. Was quite a Chavy meet, to be honest. Typical Astras and Focuses and Fiestas and all that. They cooled down a bit. Round 2. Everyone's saying send it though. Time to gap someone. He was gone. That turbo whistle though. Rolling launch time. Damn. He's drawing his shitbox A3.
What's he done to that car?
Little rev off. The way those pops though.
Hey George.
Alright, let's see which one sounds better. George's A3 or Mikey's GTR. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa.
That he's laughing at right now.
Oh, another rolling launch. And another one. Sounds so good. Time to cruise back home. Well, that's that. I hope you guys like this little video. Bit of a chavvy meet, but yeah. Alright, that's that. I'm out.
I'll pull up out in Swad, right? And then I'll get Mikey to put it in the maps, and then we'll meet you there. Because I've no clue where that is. Is it?